string shape for the E shape is root. So it's 7 root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 root 2, 3, 4. So now it's on the fourth string. It's going from the third string to the fourth string. Okay? Now when we go C to the G, where's the D string shape go? All right, well, the D string shape on the C string shape was the third string. It's going to go to the second string, right? So it's D string shape. It's 6, 7 root 2, 3, 4. You see how the 2, 3, 4 went down to the second string there. So it still stays on the same string shape. All right, so that's what that says. As opposed to what I have over here now. This is the new thing. We're going to finish up all this. Once we learned that we could play the three different keys in the open and then in the shadow. And what are those shadow? There's easy shadow rules that we learned here, which are right over here. Okay, so you take a C chord, you got the, we got the cage shape +1 cage, which would go to the D. And then we go to the fifth for the shadow. So it's like this. Okay, but now look up here for the BMDK. It's between 5 and 6. It's on the A string shape. So when we go to the fifth of that C, okay, we're not going to play that diatonically. That's why it kind of sounded a little muffled, kind of, a little dull. Here's our C. Then we're going to go to its fifth diatonic. Okay, so it's 6, 7 root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Magic diatonic is between the 5, 6, so it's like this. Okay, it's important because in diatonic sometimes the longs and the shorts become longs. You can look at the whole thing as just, you can look at it as all three of them. You can see it right here, right? You can look at it that way. Whereas the magic is 5, 6, the mix is above that, and the pent is below it. I want you to understand one thing, that as we talked about from the diagram over here, remember the fourth goes up, we're pushing the pattern up, the fifth we're pushing the pattern down. But similarly, if we're not pushing the pattern and we're just looking at the strings, okay, in string shapes, let's just look at our little C box that we're playing here. So it's right up here. Here's our C7. The string shape that's above this C, it says BC there. So it's kind of degrading, but it says BC there. That's the blues note for the root diatonic key. Above that is the fifth of it, and below that is the E string, is the fourth of it. You see, so it would be that E shape. So let's look again. Let's get our little key sheet here. Okay, so I've put the key sheet right here. What we're looking at, the blues scales here. And we're looking up here. Now, root master blues is the whole thing. The root key, the blues, the mixed key, the diatonic key, and the pentatonic key. All three of them. So this is root master blues. Okay, remember, string shape up for the fifth, string shape down for the fourth. So we start with the blues. We start with the root key of the blues. C shape. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 root 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the blues note there is between the fourth and the fifth. Okay, like that. So that's what root key of the blues is. That's where its blues note would be if we wanted to play a blues note there. when we go to the Blues Master diatonic key, the Blues Magic diatonic key is right here. It's going to be the middle. BMDK is the middle of the short in both pentatonic and diatonic forms. Okay, so when we go to our BMDK in the open, it's going to be +1 caged. So C goes to what? C goes to A in cage. So we go. So we're going 5, 6. So it's going to be on the bottom. And see how it's on the same. It's on the same string right there. The 5, 6 of the BMDK is on the bottom now. It's on the same string. So in the same cage, the blues note stays the same no matter what key you're in. Let's look at the Blues Master Pent key. It's 2, 3, 4, okay? So we're going to go ahead 1 pent. C goes to D on a pent, so we're going to go like this. Okay, and in that it's 2, 3, because in the D we got 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2, 3. See that? Same string, same blues. With the Blues Master Pent key, where is it? It's actually the short. It's the short above long. Okay, because we're in the Pent key. When you're in the Pent key, you're not going to be doing this 4. That 4 goes away. For the blues note location, Blues Master Pent key is the short string shape that's above the long one in the pentatonic scale. So let's say we're doing a D here. I'll just do a D. Now remember, it's an easy rule of thumb that the transformation for the Blues Master Pent key is 1 pentatonic shape. So a pentatonic shape above D is the E shape. We're going to do the E shape. Just build the E pentatonic, short, long, long, short, short, short. But where is it? It's the short one above the long one. So it would be like this. Right there. It's on the 4th string from the bottom. It's the short one above the long long one. There's only one short one above the long one. Okay. So for the mix key, let's look at the mix key. It's the long above the short. So remember, the 5, 6, we'll start at the 5, 6 for the magic key. There's only one short string shape encaged, and that's the 5, 6. Okay, so let's say we're going to start with what do we want to start with? Like a G. Okay, so because remember that string shape, that 5, 6 string shape, if we're in the magic key, is going to move up when we go to G's 4th, because we're just taking the G shape and moving it up, and it becomes a C shape. And that 5, 6 goes down when we go to its 5th, to the D shape. Now remember, in the cage it's going to be the same. So let's look. Here's our G7, right? Let's first find in the root key, it's going to be between 5, 6. So G is 6, 7, root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be on the 3rd string from the bottom. I'm going to be doing the G shape. In the pentatonic key, we can just shadow that G shape. According to this chart, the pentatonic, being the 4th of the BMDK, is going to be on the D string shape. So pentatonically, we've got the G string shape. Okay. Now we're going up in 5th. So it's G. 5th of G is the D string shape. 2, 3. Okay. 5th of the D is the A string shape. It's on the D string shape, so it's the 2nd one. So it's the 2nd string there. I tend to do that a little bit. So let's just take a breather here. and realize that whether you know it or not, I just proved, and they all work. Every single one of them works the same. The only thing to remember is that when we're doing the transformation in the open cage by the fret nut, we're going to fit that new shape in. It's pentatonic. It's fitted right in there. There's no more sunken notes. None. Okay, that's the beauty of this method. Okay, so we're in the key of C here. If we're doing a C7 for the pent key, we're going ahead one pen shape. C going ahead one pen shape to the D shape. Now, no longer do we have a problem. For instance, if we were playing an actual real deal D here, okay, we have to play this long D thing here, you know, 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2, and then up to here, root 2, 3. We're going to go up to the next cage shape from D. D goes to C again, so it's 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2, 3, 5, 6, root 2, 3, 5. There's your root there. We went to the C shape. We don't have to do that anymore. We don't have to worry about that anymore because we're in the blues keys. So we'll go C. What were we on C there? I hope so. So C going up a pen goes to that D shape. Now we start the D shape here. That pentatonic scale is going to fit right in. Now you know in the C shape, that blues note, the 4, 5, 6, is right there because you go 3, 4, blues 5. So if we went to the magic diatonic key, okay, that would be a head one